I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of it.
Hi, welcome back. It's me, Mamsh Helen, and we are in implicit differentiation in basic calculus. Let's do this example. Okay, again, we just indicate that we are getting the derivative per term. So we put d over dx per term. Okay, it will look like this. Ayan, ang lakas makamatalino. Ano? Akala mo kay hirap-hirap ng ginagawa natin ay nilalagyan mo lang naman ng dx per term. Anyway, please think of this as matrabaho lang. Hindi siya mahirap, matrabaho lang siya. And that would make a big difference in how you perceive the problems that we're solving. Think of it as hindi siya mahirap, matrabaho lang. Okay? So, it will remind you kasi na you just have to exert more effort, but it's not impossible to do. And it reaffirms you that you could do it. It will just remind you as well na kakailanganin mong maglagay ng extra effort para dito. Again, think of it as hindi siya mahirap, matrabaho lang. Alright, so let's get the derivative per term. The derivative of x squared is going to be 2x, and this on the numerator will be dx over dx. Next, 3y squared will be 6y multiplied to dy over dx. Next, the derivative of 10x, x will just be dropped to 1. So 10 times 1 is just 10 dx over dx because you took the derivative of an x variable. Here, this will become dy over dx because it's a y variable and the derivative for this expression is going to be 16. Next up, it's a constant, so it will just be equal to 0. Now, we simplify what we could simplify. So cancel, cancel, and cancel, cancel. We are going to be left with 2x minus dy over dx 6y, oh sorry, that's subtraction, minus 10 minus dy over dx times 16 equals 0. Now let's transpose those without the dy over dx notation to the other side. So that means we will be transposing 2x and negative 10. Yes, include the negative sign. So when you transpose that, you'll be left with negative dy over dx times 6y minus dy over dx times 16 equals, transpose 2x, well, will be negative 2x. Transpose negative 10, that will be positive 10. All right, so we need dy over dx. Let's factor that out from this left side. So we will have we will have dy over dx times, we are factoring out we are factoring out. So mawawala ito. Anong matitira? Negative 6y. So let's write that down. Negative 6y. Susunod na term, mawawala itong dy over dx kasi nga finactor out natin. Anong natira? Negative 16. So let's write that down. Negative 16 equals negative 2x plus 10. We just factored out dy over dx. Now, dapat dy over dx lang yung nandito sa side na to. What will we do with this factor na may negative 6y minus 16? Very good. We divide. Okay, we divide by negative 6y minus 16, negative 6y minus 16, and we will get dy over dx is equal to negative 2x plus 10 all over negative 6y minus 16. Now there are two ways to simplify this. You could simplify it by dividing by 2, or you could simplify it by dividing by negative 2. Now, either of the two will do as long as you get or you do not violate any mathematical law or rule. So if we will simplify that further, let's say I choose to use 2. So I'll have dy over dx is equal to negative x plus 5, I'm dividing by 2, negative 3y minus 8. And this could be your final answer. If you chose to use negative 2, then you just have to reverse all of the terms. Why is it possible to do that? Because all of the terms, all of them, not even a single one is left out, all of them are divisible by 2. Otherwise, you cannot simplify it anymore. Okay? So that's it for this example. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something today.